Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys I am going to show you guys how can you change guys your download wallpaper in your Realme phone. Friends, you want to change guys your download wallpaper in your Realme phone. So friends, you can change, and guys now let's see how to change download wallpaper in our Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you friends. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to change guys your download wallpaper? Guys, you will have to come in guys your file. So I will open guys my Google file. Then guys you can see guys your download images. So guys tap here. So guys I have got this one download wallpaper. So guys you can see this three dots. So guys tap here and guys use as. And guys you can see wallpaper. So guys click on wallpaper. Then guys you can see your wallpaper settings. So guys you can, and guys you want to adjust your wallpaper. So guys you can adjust from here. Then guys you can see apply option, tap here, and guys where you want to change home screen, lock screen, it's your choice. So guys I want to change guys both of guys. I will change guys both of. So guys I will click on home and lock screen. So as you can see guys your download wallpaper has changed in your Realme phone guys. So like that guys you can change your download wallpaper guys, lock screen wallpaper, home screen wallpaper. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye.